Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, that's right. Another Gerber product right up there on the table. And hey, look at that. You can already kind of see what we're going to look at. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to get into this guy. Alright guys, as you saw by that intro, today we're going to take a look at the Gerber Index. Now, before I even show you the blade, I'm going to tell you point blank what attracted me to this blade, and I had to get one in my hands, was the aluminum scales on the blade. It comes in a red and kind of a Carolina blue. So, there we go. As you can see, I went with like the Carolina bluish color. Now, granted, the picture I saw, the blue looked a heck of a lot darker, but I don't care. It's a little different, and it's a little interesting. For those of you wondering, as you know with most Gerber blades, it doesn't say made in Portland, so you already know this one's made in China. But let's go ahead and get into the stats on this guy. It's got an overall length of 7.8 inches. Closed, it's about 4.5, and the blade is 3.3. Now, it's got a hefty little weight to it for a folder at 5.5 ounces. And I guarantee you it's probably all the damn metal that's on there. You know, instead of them going with G10 scales or plastic scales, they went with some anodized aluminum. So, yeah. I can kind of see why it's a little heavy, but it's all right. Now, the blade steel, and I don't know why Gerber's doing this on a lot of their blades other than to cut costs. Maybe I should stop saying Gerber and start saying Fiskars, because Fiskars bought Gerber a while ago. But the blade steel is 5CR15 MOV. Now, I know it's supposed to have a great strength to it and edge retention and all that crap, but every 5CR I've ever run into, the steel is crap. But enough of that. So the blade finish is gray. Hope you can kind of see that. Now, it does have your usual, like, hollow grind, plain edge kind of thing going on. I do like the weird little, bump up here. I do like the fact the flipper turns into, like, a finger guard. That is kind of cool. Now, it does have stainless steel frames in there. You can kind of see it is, they call it a liner lock, but I'll be honest with you, I'm calling that more of a frame. Because, look, you can bolt scales onto the side, but they don't serve a frickin' purpose. I don't know, it looks... You tell me what you think. I'm going with liner. That's going to be a frame over liner. Just me. Now, it does have dual thumb studs, and it does have a flipper open. But you guys know with Gerbers, when you get them, man, they are stiff as fuck. So I'm going to have to try to take this guy apart, oil it up, and see if that does any better. Now, the one thing I love, I said this in a previous video that I haven't released yet, so we'll see how this one falls and that one falls. I love the fact there's a slotted screws. The fact they have like the little star bits, but like with the slots in there, that's going to make it so much easier when you need to disassemble it. You won't need a special tool. You'll just need a screwdriver. Now, the lanyard hole is kind of weird. Normally it's like a little circle, but I like that little like rectangular square look that they have going on. And it only has a one position pocket clip, which is tip up. Alright, so as we usually do, we took a look at the cost over on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. Oh God, I almost did it again. Sorry boys. That's right out of the box. Whoops. Hey, look at that tear. You know, my dumbass wasn't holding it right. But anywho, you can see, there we go. I'm not sure if you can see it. Hopefully you're getting it right there. It needs to be stropped because there's paper flakes on the blade. And that should have just went right through it. But that's okay. It gives me a project for later. Now, like I was saying, we took a look at the cost on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. Now, over on Amazon, it's going to run you $42.17. On Gerber, it's going to run you $38. And on Blade HQ, $28.95. And we took a look at the ratings. Amazon, 4 out of 5 stars with 9 reviews. Gerber, 5 out of 5 with 1 single review. And on Blade HQ, 3 out of 5 with 2 reviews. So I'm betting this is still kind of a brand new release from Gerber. I'll be honest with you, I don't keep up to track on new Blade releases and, SHOT Show new things and Blade Show new things. I just don't. I see the blades, they look kind of cool, and I'll bring them to the channel. Now, sometimes I'll catch a live feed like I did with the Rikiri. I'll leave a little link right up there because I reviewed that one. And I sit and I go, dear God, I have to have that blade. But with that being said, I want to know what you guys think about the Index. Questions, comments, love, hatred, whatever you got, down below. You guys know the drill by now. I'll respond to everybody. It's kind of fun interacting with you guys. It makes doing this worth it. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to view one of my videos. I know there's lots of options out there, and it means the world to me that you chose one of mine. Guys, you're going to see a symbol popping up right down here. That's going to be our little company logo. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Well, that's if you're not subscribed already. Once you click on that subscribe, which I'm begging you, please do. Please help little Timmy. Please. And no, it's not my first name. It's just something I came up with right there. Go ahead and destroy that bell icon that is right next to it. That's going to let you know every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at a Gerber Index. Hope you guys have an incredible day.